Hi, I'm Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar. Do you want to be a successful trader? Well, in order to be a successful trader, you've got to be able to predict the future. But predicting the future is not something that we humans can do too well. But we can get an insight into the future by studying the past. In this chart, you see a price pattern that most of you are going to recognize as a trend. Now, why do you recognize this as a trend? Because it's a pattern you've seen previously, in the past. Price pattern recognition will, to a large degree, give you the ability to discern future price action. And some of these patterns are the trend, stop runs, intraday high or low, the market moving news that might put in a pattern, areas of support and resistance, and volatility. And patterns that are recognizable or that you have learned to recognize based on your experience and your training will give you the insight into your ability to find a place for a profitable, low-risk trade setup. Your decision to enter a trade will be based on a trade setup possibly confirmed by an indicator. Now, in my course at Timeless Dollar, I don't teach many trade setups because you don't need them. But here are the few that I do teach and that you should be very familiar with. The gap, support and resistance, trades based on time and price, sometimes called symmetrical trades, momentum trades, the trend trade, of course, and trades based on single candlesticks. And for instance, the hammer is one that we all know very well, right? And these are the only trade setups that you really need to know. But in order to be able to determine where a trade setup is, you're going to need to know price patterns because the trade setup is based on the price pattern. And that's what I teach at Timeless Dollar. So let's see how well you recognize price patterns. On the next 3 random slides are price patterns and see if you can find areas of trade setups where you would make a trade. So how well did you do? There's really no right or wrong because reading the future is difficult. But in order to be a successful trader, you've got to be able to discern the future. And the way to do that is to be able to know what happened in the past and recognize price patterns as they occur. This is Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar. If you're looking for a little bit of help and training in learning how to trade E-minis and micro E-minis, check out my course at timelessdollar.com. Thanks for watching. Trade safely. As I always say, use a lot of patience, and I'll see you in my next video.